poo heads unless you're black. In case you're wondering, I got a haircut today. Like, a little bit of hair. My sideburns. So, if you saw the other shark video, please subscribe and like that video. We didn't really, like, we used the video, but then we, like, added, like, the, you know, the sound stuff. But it wasn't even our sound either. It's like, you know, total copy, but... Yeah? So, like, you know, I'm done! Almost. So, like, we're probably gonna make this video of, Roblox soon. Like, some pretty rad Roblox videos. So, stay tuned and watch those videos, okay? See ya!